Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today we're gonna be making a guitar-inspired Afrobeat, or we're basically gonna be making a melodic kind of Afrobeat, and we're gonna be drawing inspiration from Crayon Ungozi featuring Ira Star. I really love that, production. Shout out to Sarz. That beat is amazing. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. So quickly, I'm gonna drag in the vocals, and I get lots of you guys asking me what I use in converting the vocal, and it's called Audimi. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description, so in case you wanna try out Audimi. So this is what Audimi look like. You can just drag it. They have tons of singers, and I've just loved using Yemi because she has that Afrobeat feel. Like, if you can check her description over here, you'll be able to see Afrobeat R&B pop singer. So it fits. So yeah, we have the vocals, and the tempo of the song is 115. It's quite an old. Let's say it's an old song. It's not that old, but we can actually learn something from this. So I'm just gonna bring down the volume and let's just listen to what the vocal sounds like.
You give me love, it is a lie. That be a love taking over.
And this is the popular part of the song.
I know you're waiting around here, still it to
So I'm just gonna send it to my mixer, use my EQ. Just cut out some of the lows and adding some reverb. So for the reverb, I'm just gonna use the pop.
And I wanna go crazy with you. Shouldn't let to this song for long. Let's do it all for love. But I never wanna lose this.
Yep, so quickly, no wasting time. We're just going to creating this vibe. I'm just gonna go bring in the things is the whole vibe started with there's a guitar actually at some point. So that's basically the guitar that inspired me to pick this beat to show you guys how you can create a guitar inspired Afrobeat. But the song started with this bearish kind of chord progression. So that's what we're just gonna be adding. And the key of the song is on the key of F sharp. So I'm just gonna quickly just create my first pattern. Then yeah, so something like this. So let's see here. Yeah, so something like this that started the whole song. So we have this. So let me just put that. Then I'm gonna layer it. I'm just gonna be using Analog Lab 4. I'm just gonna paste that over here. So we have this. Yeah, so it has this paddish. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna send this to my mixer and just take out some of the lows. Bring this down. I think I'm just gonna change this. Let's try this. Yeah, then next we have this bass, this low bass. I'm just gonna use Toxic Boy Hazard for that. Okay, so with our bass, basically with the bass, it's just gonna play the root notes. As simple as that. Just play the root note. Yeah. So let's just. I think it was a bass close to this. It might not be the exact, but So yeah, let me just boost the master volume. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go to this notes. So I'm just gonna pick this, send this to my mixer. I'm just gonna add in kickstart. So for the kickstart, I'm just gonna use 1/2. Let's see 1/1. Okay, no, I think 1/2. Yeah, so I think the whole song started like this. Yeah, so have our verse.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been under. See what you make me discover. Kelly, don't you my persona. The revelation is in order. All the pressure I've been under. Ooh, why I called you.
Okay, so
you
just take care. So I'll start bringing in the drums quickly. So the snare, I think you just have this.
You give me life, it is a lie.
Yes, but I'm gonna go to my piano roll and just increase it.
You give me life, it is a lie.
Yeah, and let's just copy this over here.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over.
So I think something like this.
You give me life, it is a lie.
Then next I'll just go with my percussion. So I can have like.
You give me life, it is a lie. You give me life, it is a lie. You give me life, it is.
So then this other one will have something like this.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking up. You give me life, it is a. You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over.
Yeah, so let me just increase this the velocity of this so you hear it.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over.
So I'm gonna go back to the snare. I think I'm just gonna take out
You
this.
give me life, you give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over.
So we already have a vibe. So we already have a vibe. This is basically how very simple drums.
Copy and love taking over.
Then next I'm gonna bring in my kick.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over.
Yeah, so this is just basically.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been under. See what you make me discover. See what you make me discover. See what you make me.
I can't. I'm trying to remember how the vibe is. Guys. How this.
Kelly, don't you my persona. The revelation is in order. All the pressure I've been under. Ooh, why I called you. You give me life, it is a lie.
Okay, yeah. Then there's this 808, that is playing with the kick. Yeah, something like this. This was just the bass. I think that was. So what I'm just gonna do, Yep. So I'm just going to. So we have. It's just playing basically the same thing. The bass is. The same thing. The bass is playing, but let me just sidechain it so it doesn't clash. So I send my kick and my bass. So come over to my kick, right click, sidechain to this track, come over here and use the fruity limiter.
You give me life.
Yeah. So let's see.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking up.
And go to the one, the same thing.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been under. See what you make me discover. You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking up.
So let's see this.
You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been under. See what you make me discover. You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been under. You give me life, it is. You give me life, it is a lie. You give me life, it is a lie. Kelly, don't you my persona. The revelation is in order. Kelly, don't you my persona. The revelation is in order. All the pressure I've been under. Ooh, why I called you. You give me life, it is a lie. Copy and love taking over. On a good day, I've been.
I think that's just everything that was played for the whole jam. Then at this point, we change the bass. We just change the bass and go back to this slide bass.
Why I call you, Ngazi? God don't bless me, Ngazi. Dirty service, I love it. The love thing where you show me. Private lounge in Paris with that best.
But here there was this normal grand piano sound of chords that was played. So I'm just gonna go over here. At this point,
God don't bless me, dirty service, I love it. The love thing where you show me. Private lounge in God don't bless me, dirty service, I love it. The love thing where you show me. Private lounge in Paris with that person from South. No one make me do like this. Till I get you, no worries, no worries. He did to me, wow.
Yeah, so we have, you know, let's drag this whole thing over here, and you have a different, you know, a different bass.
God don't bless me, dirty service, I love it.
So I'm just gonna bring this bass back. So I'm not gonna slide it.
No worries, no worries. He did to me, wow. No worries, no worries. He did to me, wow, wow. Siatama no. Baby antala, okay, make it on. Baby antala, okay, baby antala, okay, make it on. Baby antala, okay, make it on. Baby antala, okay, make it on.
I'm gonna use save anyway, man. I'm gonna use analog act top for it. Just a simple guitar, just the same thing the chord is playing, but I'm just gonna show you guys how you can actually create some nice melodies with some basic chords. All right, so Kontakt has loaded. I'm just going to go over to the act top and let's just drag this. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. I'm just gonna go over to my electric piano, copy it. So this is just like the root of everything. So guitar, yeah, and let's go over the colors. Paste it over here. So have this. Yeah, but I just need it to strum. So I'm just gonna turn on my metronome. Something like this. Let's chop this up. Yeah, so we have some nice guitar vibe. Send it over to my mixer, you know. Let's just give it some. So I think it came in with when we had this.
He did to me, wow. He did to me, wow, wow. Siatama intana, baby antala, okay, make it on. Yeah, calabiza, wow. Apatration is the lala. If you know this all, okay, make it on.
I was gonna bring in some drum fills, some random drum fills, you know, just to give it that variations. And let's go over to Jetpack. I actually love Jetpacks, man, because I can get some nice effects. We're dropping.
You give me love, it is a lie. Can't be a love taking over. I want a good thing I've been under. See what you make me discover. Girl, you don't change my persona. The revelation is another. All the pressure I've been under. Ooh, why I call you Ngazi. God don't bless me Ngazi. Dirty service, I love it. The love thing where you show me. Private lounge in Paris with that person from South. No one make me do like this. Till I get you, no worries, no worries. He did to me, wow, wow. Siatama intana, babe, no worries, no worries.
yeah, guys, so you can see how very easy it is to make any beat you hear out there, guys. And trust me, that was how I was able to, you know, solidify myself in music production by being able to remake sounds I hear out there. So if you love these videos and you want to see more videos, just let me know you guys thoughts in the comment section. And if you are yet to join the Patreon, kindly join the Patreon, because you know you get access to amazing stuff. This FLP are going to be available on the Patreon, but only for the paid members. But if you're a free member, you know, once in a while there are gonna be freebies for you guys to, you know, enjoy. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.